Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix NVIDIA Overlay not showing FPS. Basically, as you can see right here, my NVIDIA Overlay is showing FPS as NA, and if you want to go ahead and fix this problem, there's a few ways that we must do. So first things first, you want to navigate through your NVIDIA application, click on the setting right here. Make sure that you open up the NVIDIA overlay, and then you want to go ahead and disable and enable it to see if that works. So right now it's still not working. So let's navigate back to NVIDIA, head over to drivers, and then you want to make sure that you are using the latest possible drivers on the game ready driver. So basically this will fix errors and glitches, including this one, that will basically go ahead and fix the problem. And the last thing that I suggest is to head over to services. From here, this is a really common fix. Go ahead and look for the NVIDIA Frame View SDK. You want to go ahead and click on stop. Wait for it to actually finish. Click properties. So instead of choosing manual, you want to set it to automatic. Click start or click apply, and then you want to go ahead and actually restart it right here. Click OK, and then that should go ahead and basically help you fix your problem. Just make sure that you restart your game, update your drivers, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.